Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will give a tour of the outhouse that is being constructed. Just a framework is being constructed. Rest lot of things has to be done there. Also, I will show some land over here where I can build a pond or something like that. So let's start the tour. So this is the outhouse. It is almost being completed and some works are left for building the frameworks. I think all things have been completed. Let's go inside and take a tour. So here it is, the large aquarium. Two large panels are there. The glass is missing. It is very difficult to find it. If you know any acrylic dealers that can source me a good acrylic panels, please do comment it or contact me anyway from the links in the video descriptions or from the channel page contacts. So here it is, the hall. It is a straight hall to keep the aquariums or do some studio works or something like that. So these things are under construction. Recently the ceiling has been constructed and it is almost complete. First it will be the wall ceiling. Walls will be cemented and made plain. Then the wires, electric wires will be installed. Then the bathroom fittings will be done. Then the tiles will be laid down. And plus other general construction works will be there. I hope to see it completed very soon. Yeah, let's wait for it. And when you enter outside this place, this is the large place. There is one natural pond coming up there. You can see that the water is collecting over there. I hope to dig it out much deeper into that, and I am hoping to do some koi cultivation or something like that. It looks very good and natural. Lots of rocks are also there. Probably I can use it. Yeah, this is a natural pond. I saw one snake around there catching a frog. That's not much poisonous snakes, but some are there. Right there, some poisonous snakes are there. They don't come out here because they are afraid of humans. One poisonous snake also came there. Yeah, this is a good place to build a large pond for farming koi or something like that. And these all areas are left empty. Hopefully I can grow something or something. Some waterfall is there from there. Then it would be nice. The water would come from there and flow here. But there is not a source of water to collect there because this place does not have much water. We have to take the water from the well. There is one well there that has good source of water. In the rainy season, there is good source of water, but during the summer, the water dries up very quickly. This all things goes to that low area where some banana cultivation is going on. And this is the outhouse. That's the tour of the outhouse and the general works that are going on. What are your suggestions? What should I try out in this area, or something that sparks your idea to do and you want me to do? I can do it. Next, I will go and build a 55 gallon for the discus fishes. There are a lot of discus fish babies there. I am trying to rescue them and move them to the bigger tanks. Hopefully they can be added to that big tank that I am constructing. There is one motor room also there coming out here. So this is the outhouse that has been completed recently. All the outer frameworks has been completed. A large aquarium is there inside it that will be displayed very soon on this channel, so make sure you subscribe, like and share this video. The ceiling of the outhouse is being cooled down with water so that the cement becomes firm and rigid, and it makes the ceiling very strong. There is one motor room coming at the back side of the large aquarium, and all this water will be removed after some days, and all these barriers holding the water will also be removed. This is the money plant I am growing at the side of the walkway so that it looks more aesthetic and pleasing. Later I will be making videos about my discus fish hatch. These are the new discus fish that I am growing. They are recently hatched about 1 month back. I got some clips of their parents growing out their offsprings. These are the two discus fishes pairs I have. They are of different colors, so I cannot expect the same color in the babies, so it will be a mixed colored. Anyway, I will be growing them out. Hopefully I could sell them for profit, or I could keep them in my large aquariums. And this is the small shrimp section, baby brine shrimp feeding section I made for them. I will add more videos about them in my later videos, so make sure you subscribe this channel and turn notification to get updated. Also follow me on social networks. See you in the next one. Like and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care.